Былыр-гылыр жылларым, былыттарым быгары. Урук-кулур жылларым, улагалах оругары. Жолу, жору аттахтар, нергердері ихиллер.
Since ancient times, when the long-awaited summer came, the people of Saha, having set many summer houses, rasa, decorated the earth with branches of young birch, with salama threads, filled the choron cups with kume's drink, proclaiming good news from the housetops, invited guests, gathered people, arranging a celebration, started the great holiday of Ысыах. According to the legends, the first Ысыах, the summer solstice holiday, was organized by the ancestor of the Saha people, Elai. Since the times of the forefather of the Yakuts, every celebration has always begun with the rite of purification. To this day, people honor the traditions bequeathed by their ancestors. Ысыах is a holiday of summer, a holiday of renewal, beauty, and unity that gathers thousands of people from all over the world. In 2019, the Ысыах Tuйmaады is held for the 22nd time in the Ысыах holy site. From year to year, the cultural program of the festival is becoming more extensive and large-scale. The events of the 22nd Ысыах Tuйmaады involved more than 2,000 participants of amateur art groups. Within the days of the holiday, 23 stage venues were opened simultaneously in a non-stop mode. Every year, hundreds of thousands of people gather in the area of Ысыах to join and feel the culture of the Saha people. During Ысыах, everyone can become a participant in the centuries-old celebration. Try the national kumis drink, join the Asohai dance, enjoy the cosmic sounds of Homus, listen to Toyuk and Olonjo. The holiday vividly manifests all the beauty and unique Yakut culture. Dancing and music, clothing and dishes, crafts and decorative arts, rituals and customs, folklore and mythology, language and philosophy of the people. Traditionally, Ысыах is closely associated with the cult of the horse. Sunny Horse is a particularly revered deity among the Saha people. The horse is the constant companion of the heroes of Olonjo, the heroes of the Middle World. The horse and its rider, in the Yakut view, are an indivisible whole, the embodiment of divine power and beauty. Therefore, one of the main and one of the most crowded events of the holiday is horse racing. And finally, the time has come for the key event of the holiday, the reason why people gather here at Ысыах, the ceremony of greeting the sun together. Appeal to the deities, the ascension of prayers with gratitude to the higher forces, and the greeting of the first rays marking the birth of a new world. After that, people stretch their hands, greeting the heavenly body, absorbing its light and life-giving forces, receiving the blessings of the heavenly Ayi. Another important component of Ысыах is sports games. From the most ancient times, there is a tradition of holding competition in strength, agility, accuracy, and endurance. And today, one of the most spectacular events is the digging games, in which the winners, like the heroes of antiquity, become truly folk heroes. A glorious tradition is passed down from generation to generation to come together to greet the new dawn, to worship the forces of nature, to proclaim the triumph of life on earth. Today, the Ысыах Tuйmaады is a unique phenomenon of the Yakut culture. This is a connecting thread stretching from the depths of the centuries, reminding the modern man of the main thing, introducing us to the ancient knowledge of being in harmony with the universe.